Hi everyone, my name is Michael and I am the Crafty Crocheter, and today I am going to update you on my last video where I went over the sad news about Joann Fabrics and how initially they were only going to close 500 stores nationwide, but I saw in the news this morning that they're actually closing all of the locations, all 800 locations nationwide. So it is with a heavy heart that there was no recourse for them to pull out of the death spiral that they were currently entangled in. And I guess there was an auction this past Saturday to where a new investor bought Joann's, but I guess they felt in their infinite wisdom that they decided to liquidate all the stores and close all 800 locations nationwide. So I'm sure all of you had heard about this, but just in case you haven't, that's the current update of what's going on. So yeah, this is going to be a short video. I'm just upset, but as I stated in my last video, we'll persevere, we'll move on, we'll adapt. So yeah, and I plan on doing some other videos today, so what they are I don't know yet, but I gotta formulate a plan of what those future videos will be. So yeah, so that's all I have. So take care of yourself and each other.